Hello students, hello everyone. Here I am with my second video for Python. One video I have already uploaded. In that video I have taught how to install the software which will be helpful for you to run the Python program. So I hope you have installed that software in your computer. If you have not installed, please watch that video, install that software first, then come back to this video. Because while I will teach, I will use that software. So you must know how to work on that, how to install. First install, it must be installed in your computer, and you must know how to work on that. This everything I have discussed, explained in the previous video. Please go watch that video. I will put the link of that video in the description of this video. So watch that video first, okay? And if it is already installed, if you have already uh, know how to work on that software, it's okay. So continue with this video. Okay, now in this video, I will introduce Python and few basics. I will start the basics of Python programming language. Okay, so without wasting your and my time, here we go. Let's start with the introduction of Python. Python is a widely used general purpose high level programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991 and further developed by the Python Software Foundation. It allows programmers to write the programs with fewer lines than other programming languages. Okay, you can read it. It is clearly visible to you. So let me tell you, Python, who have invented this? It is invented by Guido van Rossum in 1991. And further, it was developed by the Python Software Foundation. It's a company which is now further development of Python. Uh, this company is doing. Okay. Now, most important feature of this Python is what it allows. See the last line. It allows programmers to write the program. It allows programmers to write the program with fewer lines. This is most important feature of Python. Because of this, these time it is very popular only because of this. This is the most popular feature of the Python, that here there is no need to write the more lines to in the program. In fewer lines, you can write a program. In very few, by using very few lines, you can write a program. It's in compared to other programming languages. Okay, so this is most important feature. इसमें बहुत कम लिखना पड़ता है और शॉर्ट में प्रोग्राम हो जाता है, ज़्यादा लिखना नहीं पड़ता है. This is the most popular feature of the Python programming language. That's why this generation is it is popular in this generation. Okay, so it was introduction about Python. I don't want to waste time in this. This is a history. You can learn more things about this history, when it was invented, by whom it is invented, and what's going on. You can know the history of that anyhow. But only this much I want to tell you. This is the Python introduction of the Python. Now, coming to the next topic. So, coming to the next topic, that is what? Tokens. Okay. Tokens are most basic, smallest individual unit of a program. So what are tokens? Tokens are smallest individual unit of a program. Means tokens are units of the program. Simples. So in simple language, you can think like this. Tokens are what? What are tokens? Tokens are the smallest, or you can say units of the program. Okay. For example, uh, Python has following tokens. Python has following tokens: keywords, identifiers, literals are also called constants, operators, and punctuators. So these are the units of the program. If you are going to write the program, you require these things. These are the units of the program. Okay. By the help of these, we write the program. Okay. So what is token? Token is a what are tokens? Tokens are units of a program. The smallest individual unit of a program is called token. Keywords, identifiers, literals, operators, and punctuators. These are the tokens which will be used to write the Python programs. Okay. So let's start with the keywords. Keywords. Keywords are reserved words that have some special purpose in the program. Okay, they cannot be used as an identifier. I will come to this point also. What are keywords? Keywords are reserved words. Means some reserved words are there. Reserved means they have some special purpose in the programming, and you cannot use them for any other purpose. Okay, so that words are called keywords. For example, let's see. For example, int, float, if, elif, while, break, true, false. Many about 35 or 36 keywords are there in Python. Okay, so these keywords are reserved for something else, for something, and they cannot be used for any other purpose. If you try to use them for any other purpose, it is not allowed. You will get the error message for that. For example, uh, here int. The purpose of int is, you will come to know afterwards. The purpose of int is fixed. This is a keyword. It is reserved for some. It is reserved for something. And if you try to use this int keyword as a variable name, it is not allowed. If you try to use this float variable, the purpose of float is also fixed. And if you try to use it as a string name or any name, it is not allowed because the purpose is fixed. It's a keyword. We cannot use it for any other purpose. So what are keywords? Keywords are reserved words that have some special purpose in the program. You cannot use them for any other purpose. This is one of the unit of uh, Python programming language. So keywords, I hope it is clear. And how many keywords are there? About 36 keywords are there. And as soon as you will learn, you will come to know all about this, about all these keywords. Now coming to the next topic, next token. What was the next token? Identifiers. Do you know noun in Java? Sorry, not in Java. Do you know noun in English? What is noun? Noun is the name of person, place, things, and animals. Here, identifiers means we can say it is noun. Don't write anywhere in the examination identifier noun, but I am telling you to make it understand. What is identifier? It's like noun. It is noun for this Python or any programming language. So identifiers and identifier is the name of, here we do not have person, place, things, and animals. In the same language, I have written here, an identifier is the name of class, variable, function, object, list, tuple. List and tuple, you'll come to know this is a new word. So class, variable, name of class, name of variable, name of function, name of object, name of list. List means array, you can say. Name of tuple, etc. Name of anything in the programming. If you are deciding any name of anything is called identifier. As you know, noun is what? What is noun? Noun is the name of anything. Like that, identifier means name of anything in the program. Name of class, name of variable, name of function, name of object, name of list, tuple, etc. Many things are there. You'll come to know about all these things. Okay. So what is identifier? Name of anything. Identifier by this name is here because you know your name is your identifier. You will be identified by your name. Like that, variables are identified by their names. Functions are identified by their names. So that's why it is called identifiers. Name of anything is called identifiers. Okay. So in Python, you can take any name as per the requirement of the program. Any name you can decide for a variable, class, function, object, array, list. Any name you can take. You can decide. You can take any name, but some rules are there. As per the requirement of the program, again I'm telling you, as per the requirement of the program, you can take any name of a variable, of a class, of a function, as per the requirement. Okay, but some rules are there which we have to follow. We must have to follow. Otherwise, you will get the error message. So, what are that rules? One by one, I'm going to explain here. The first rule is here, identifier naming rules. Okay, while you are going to decide name of variable, class, function, object, or anything, these rules you must follow, have to follow. First one, C. An identifier can contain alphabets, digits, and only one special symbol is allowed, that is what? Underscore. Okay, means you can take a variable name, you can use alphabets, you can uppercase, lowercase, any alphabet you can use. You can use digits, okay, and only one special symbol is allowed, that is what? Underscore. So do not use any other symbol than underscore. For example, this is very common mistake. Consider one variable we are going to take. We are going to use a variable in programming and for simple interest. And consider the variable name we have taken as s dot I. The dot here, dot is incorrect because only one special symbol is allowed, that is what? Underscore. We cannot use any other special symbol than underscore. So you can use alphabets, uppercase, lowercase, any alphabet you can use. You can use digits, and only one special symbol is allowed. What is that? Underscore. Okay, so please remember this. We cannot use anything else other than this. Then second is, it must not be a keyword. It must not be a keyword. Can you take a variable name as int? Can you take a function name as a int? No, we cannot take because int is a keyword. It is reserved for something, and we cannot use them as the name of anything. We cannot use them as an identifier. So it must not be means, it means an identifier must not be a कीवर्ड. कीवर्ड नहीं होना चाहिए किसी वेरिएबल का नाम, फंक्शन का नाम, क्लास का नाम, कीवर्ड नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके, नेक्स्ट, it must not start with digit. Okay. While you are deciding any name of class, variable, function, you can start with alphabets. Okay, you can start with what? Underscore. You can start with alphabet, you can start with underscore, but you cannot start with digit. It's not allowed. Okay, means consider you want to take a variable name as a 10a. Consider 10a at 12a, 11. This class name is incorrect because here we have started with digit. Okay, even you can write underscore 11a. It is correct. This name of variable, function, or anything is correct. Underscore is allowed at the beginning as a first character. Underscore is allowed. Alphabets are allowed, but digits are not allowed. Please remember that it must not start with digit. This is the third rule. Now fourth rule. Space is not allowed. It's a very common mistake. Space is not allowed. Consider a function or any name. We are going to define a function for simple interest, to calculate a simple interest, and we have given the function name as simple interest. Okay, and what mistake we have done here? Here we have given the space. This space is not allowed. Am I clear? Don't give any space in any name. Name of class, name of variable, name of function, name of object. In any name, space is not allowed. It's very common mistake. Just avoid it. Okay. Space is not alphabet. Space is not a digit. Space is not underscore. So in first rule itself, I have told you we cannot use other than these. We cannot use anything other than these. We can use only alphabets, digits, and a special symbol. And here we are using what? Space. Space is also character. That is not allowed. Please do not use space in any name. Any name. Okay. Name of class, name of variable, name of function. In any name, please do not use space. Space is not allowed. Please remember this. Okay, now next tool. I hope it is clear. The things are clear. If any doubt, you can ask through the comment section. Now the last rule you must know. Python is a case sensitive language. Case sensitive means here uppercase and lowercase letters are different. In each and I think in every programming language it is. Python is also what? Case sensitive language. Case sensitive language means uppercase letters and lowercase letters means are different. They are treated differently. They are not same. Keep in mind, if you have taken variable for principal, consider you are calculating simple interest. Okay, and we have taken a variable capital P for principal. You have taken capital R for rate of interest, and capital T for time. And while you are calculating simple interest, you are writing small p into small r, small t upon 100. So initially you have taken capital P R T, and in the formula you are writing small p r t. This is incorrect because capital P and small p are not same; they are different. So if you have taken in the variable in capital letter, wherever you are using that, used in the same case, uppercase to uppercase, lowercase to lowercase. Am I clear? So please take care of this. Means it means what? Python is a case sensitive language. Case sensitive language means uppercase alphabets और lowercase alphabets, small letter और capital letters क्या होते हैं? Different होते हैं computer science में. ये ध्यान रखना हर जगह. Python is also case sensitive language. So for today this much only. For this video this much only. And here I have discussed about keywords and identifiers. So further I will come with, in next video I will discuss the next token, that is what? Keywords are in the literals. I will discuss about literals. So for this video this much only. And if any doubt, any confusion, you can ask through comment section. Okay. Thank you, students.